noise? Okay, what is it? That was a very strange noise. And no, I haven't changed the sheets yet. I did bring them in to change. Now, I got really tired. Oh. But the floors still look really good. Well, mostly good. There's some stuff right there, but when I sanitized the tunnel and brought it back in, the other tunnel, these little tunnels come with the big pack of toys for like $12 that I have like on my wish list, because it's like the greatest pack of toys ever. It comes with like the giant crinkle balls, and like, see that ball with the fish or whatever, mouse, whatever on top of it, and it has one of these, and it has a wand toy and a bunch of, I mean, it has, I think there's like 24 toys. I can't remember. What are you doing? What are you doing? Hi. Hi, why don't you go play? Go play. And neither one of the babies are limping. Hippo and Puck are 100% walking around, jumping. As a matter of fact, when I came in, Hippo was over there on the chair. So, they're great. Look at that belly. Look at the baby's belly. Look at them. What? I'm sorry. I'm just saying you got a big belly, that's all. You're gonna eat me. Not nice. What is your deal? Oh, you're silently yelling at me? Is that what it is? Oh, I will say that since Puck and Hippo came back, they have been like extra kind of, not needy, but whereas before they were two of the ones that really did not care if I petted them or held them. You know, Vegas was kind of like that too. Some kittens are real, ma'am. Yeah. Yeah. Some kittens are like, really dependent on you and like want pets and love and constantly. This one. Some are like Streak, who wants love and affection, but then also likes to play and like do other stuff. You know, it's like he likes both. And then there are cats like Vegas, like how Hippo and Puck used to be, where they just really don't care. Like, you have to go find them if you want to hold and pet them. But they have been more needy since they got back. And I don't know if it was just, you know, traumatizing for them, or if it's just because they're getting older. What are you doing? I know. Tell me. Look at this one. What are you doing? Hi. Hi. It's still Maggie. And Maggie's one, it's really funny because Rose is clingy. That's the word, clingy. Rose is clingy and Maggie is not at all. Maggie just wants to fight you or bite you, or she wants to be left alone. I just do. Which is really strange because Prim is her mentor. And Prim is clingy. Oh, that's a good old baby. Good old baby. Oh, no, not you. What?
Delivery.
The next box is from Debbie, and it says, "Hi community, enjoy your gift. Hope you can use this for your new room." From Debbie Lehrman. And Debbie sent a case of the Friskies poultry platter. And this is actually Mama Cat, who I've named Ginger, but I know that the video with their names are not up yet. But just so you know, Mama is Ginger, the Torty is Cinders, and the Ginger is Squash. Don't ask, you'll find out later. But this is actually Mama's favorite mixed with the KMR. Now she likes the seafood like by itself, but at least twice a day she eats the poultry platter with the KMR, and she will tell me, like if I put down a plate of the fish and she wanted the KMR, she won't eat it. She'll sit there and she'll make this noise at me. Mama is a very, very vocal cat. There's also a pack of the fuzz balls, which is a favorite with all kittens and cats. And you actually do, you have to keep getting more and more because they put them in the water bowl, they put them in the litter box, and with these, once they've gone into especially the litter box, I have to throw them out because you can wash them in the washing machine. I've accidentally done it before, but they lose their little, I guess hairs that stick out. I don't know what you would call that. And then they don't play with them anymore. She also sent the package of my favorite cat assortment. It comes in this bag, and it also comes with that purple tunnel that all the cats and kittens love. But, sorry Debbie, I already took the tunnel out and gave it to Mama and her kittens, and the kittens love it. Squash sits in it all the time. He'll just go in the middle and sit in it. So it does come with the purple tunnel, and they love this too because they use it as a kicker. And then it comes with a big assortment of the different kinds of toys. And my favorite is this thing. It's like a little ball that has a mouse attached to it, and it's got a weight. Anyway, I love this toy assortment. And she also sent a $25 gift card for Amazon. And this is going to go for room supplies in the new room, which I've already stated. Just as soon as I know how I want to get it set up. So thank you very much, Debbie, the cats and kittens, and I really appreciate it.